Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie and today I am doing another Doen product review. I really love Doen, especially this time of year. I feel like they really win at fall and winter styles. In particular, their holiday collection is absolutely gorgeous every single year. They usually do a bit of a sale during the week of Black Friday, and typically they'll do some summer and some early fall styles in this sale. So today I have a few styles that I'm hoping will be on sale, fingers crossed. And then I also picked out a few styles from their recent holiday collection, which are super exciting as well. Don't think they'll be on sale, but I did want to do a bit of a holiday review in case you were looking for some outfits for this upcoming season. So without further ado, let's get into the products. First item I'm reviewing is the Mazarin dress. This is a silk and viscose blend, and of course, as you can tell, it's this really fun, beautiful polka dot print. Earlier this year, this dress came in a gorgeous floral print. It was a green and kind of red toned pink print. Wasn't entirely my colors, but I did really love the silhouette. I'm a sucker for anything with a halter neck. I'm a huge fan of the flower pin trend. I don't think it's really a trend for me. It's just something that I like to wear regardless of what everyone else is doing. So for me, this is just like my dream dress pretty much. One thing I love about it is I find it to be pretty versatile. Not only is this something that I see myself getting a lot of use out of in the spring and summertime, but in the fall, I think styled with boots and a cardigan, it also really works. Black and white is just easy that way. It does have a side seam zipper. This is not always a common thing in Doen pieces, but this just really makes it a lot easier to get on and off, and I think it makes the fit really nice as well. Another thing that I love about the halter neck, and I hope this makes sense, but it is a little bit thicker of a halter neck, like towards the top. It doesn't get as narrow and skinny around the neck. I really like that because it gives a little bit more coverage, and I find that very, very chic. One last thing about the cute little flower pin is that it truly is a pin, so you can take this off if you are just not feeling it that day. You know what? You could also take it off and put it on an entirely different item. I think this would actually be really cute if you put it on like a little cardigan or a shirt. This is a very versatile dress. I really love this one, and I really want to keep it in my collection. We're gonna stick with the polka dot theme. I also am trying the Eloina skirt. This is just a classic little long slip midi skirt. It's a lot of words. It is a little slip skirt. Very cute. It has an elastic waistband, so it's very flexible. I feel like the fabric has a little stretch to it as well. This is in the same fabric that the other dress is in, so this is a silk and viscose blend. This one is really cute and I really love the fit. I am very surprised by this one actually. I was worried I wasn't gonna feel entirely comfortable wearing this. I'm not a huge skirt person, but when I find one that I like, I find that I wear it literally all the time. I think what really makes the difference for me with this one is the elastic waistband. Just makes it super comfortable. Now I do kind of wish I would have ordered the size up just so I could compare between the two. It is slightly tight in the hips, just slightly, just to the point where I would have wanted to compare the difference. It's possible I still would have landed on this size, but I would have liked to know. This is another versatile piece where it's very easy to style for spring and summer or fall and winter. Boots in the winter and fall, sandals in the summer, you get the gist. It is just a really easy basic piece. In particular, I love the way that Net-a-Porter styled this one on their site. They also sell Doen products, and I really like how they paired this with a green sweater and a little scarf tied around the neck. I think that's so cute, and I might try and recreate that. The final piece that I ordered to try from the fall collection is the Fairchild cardigan. This definitely reads holiday, so I actually was more tempted to buy this one towards this time of year than I was when it was originally released. This is a bright, gorgeous tomato red. It is so soft. It is 100% cashmere, and I really like the fit. It has a bit of a cropped fit here. Now, if you saw my other video, you'll remember that I ordered this cable knit cardigan from Doen earlier in the season, and I don't own a lot of cardigans, so I gave this one a try, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I wear it all the time. I'm getting so much wear out of the other one that I feel like I could probably use even just one more cardigan in my collection. This one in particular is perfect for the holidays, and I definitely see myself styling this with a skirt or a dress for potentially Christmas. Maybe that's a little too obvious wearing bright red on Christmas, but I do think it's really cute. It's super cozy, and I really like their cashmere. That is something that I will definitely say is I have a lot of cashmere sweaters. I really love cashmere, who doesn't? And I find that their knit is very thick and comfortable, and I've experienced very minimal pilling with the cable knit style, which is always nice to see because that means they are using nice long fibers in their knitting process. I also really love the buttons. I think they're just really nice, kind of simple, pretty red buttons. So definitely a style I'm gonna have to consider if I'm gonna keep. I think in particular, my favorite outfit idea I've had so far is the polka dot dress with the flower and this red cardigan. I think that'd be so chic together, super cute. Let's get into the holiday collection, and you can barely see this one because it is so light and floaty, it doesn't show up against my white background. This is the Pascal top. It is 100% silk. This top just screams holiday to me. I love these very romantic floaty sleeves. The kind of faux pearl buttons are very beautiful. This silk tie around the neck is super cute. And I really love the way they've styled this on the website. It is exactly how I would probably style it too, with a little black mini skirt and some sheer tights. I think that is such a classic, simple outfit. The one thing that is holding me back from this top is that I get very cold in the winter, and I'm not sure, maybe at a party, at a holiday party, they can get kind of warm. So that could be a great occasion for this, but just hanging around family or at home, I think that I might freeze, honestly. It is very, very cute though, and I think that it is just really nice and delicate, and they've done a really good job on all the little fun details. The pleating on the collar is really cool as well. I do need to give this a steam from being in the package, but overall super gorgeous, and I like the way that they have it styled. I definitely had to give this one a try. It is hard to see, but this is the Sebastian Skirt in the black lace. I own the white one and I wear it literally all the time, especially in the summer, and I carry it into fall. And I knew when they released a holiday version of it that I had to try it. Their lace is a cotton nylon rayon blend. It is really nice. There's some good structure to it. You can kind of, it's hard to see here. Oh, you can see it. You can kind of see through it. It's a little sheer, but I don't really think this is gonna pop up as much when it's on body. They have another lace skirt style that is a little bit more sheer and a little bit more daring. That's not really my style, so that's why I opted for this one. So if you are looking for a lace skirt, I know they've been very trendy this fall and going into winter as well. I would recommend trying this one because it has a little bit more coverage and you still get that lace detail. It does get a little bit more sheer down at the ankle, so there's just a really nice little lace effect there. My favorite way to style this for holiday would definitely be with a cute little cardigan and maybe some little mules. I think this is definitely a good style to wear for holiday if you want to be more comfortable. The skirt itself is a very comfortable piece, and then having an excuse to just wear a sweater with something is my kind of outfit. So I would definitely give this one a try if you are looking for some sort of lace skirt. This one is very pretty and not as sheer as some of the other styles that are out there. The final piece that I am sharing is this gorgeous showstopper. When I saw this dress, I knew that I needed to try it on. I'm always so obsessed with all of the specialty novelty dresses that Doen comes out with. They put a lot of thought and detail into all of the little things. In particular, what I really love about this one is these gorgeous puff sleeves. This is all silk, by the way. If I didn't say that already, this whole thing is silk. It is so gorgeous. These puff sleeves have the most beautiful gathering, and they truly do kind of puff up. They've placed a bit of a, it looks a little bit like a kind of like a nylon fishnet type material in here to give it that structure underneath. Just really pretty and very thoughtful in the way that they've done this. I think the sweetheart neckline is also done really well. You can see more of that same gathering along the front here. There is an extra layer of fabric behind this as well so that it gives it that structure. When brands are thoughtful about details like this, it just makes it so much easier as the wearer as well. Because of this extra layer and the way that they've structured the lace, it actually makes it incredibly easy to wear a bra with this dress, which is not always the case with such nice pieces like this. But because of that extra structure, you can also go without. There is a side zipper as well, so very easy to get in and out. And there's a lot of just really gorgeous lace work around the rib cage and the neckline here. One thing I will say about it is that the lace appears to be white online. It is definitely more of an ivory. It is more yellow toned in person. And this is just one thing I wish I would have known, because ivory tone lace does not suit me the best. It kind of clashes with my coloring, but I'm sure it works on a lot of other people. In general, I love the fit. It's super gorgeous. I think this is the perfect dress for any sort of specialty holiday party. I'm not sure if I have a special enough occasion to justify keeping this, and with the lace coloring, I'm not sure if it's for me. But I did want to share it because I think it's a super special piece. And if you're curious about the fit and the color, I thought this would be helpful. So that concludes all of the pieces that I've selected from Doen recently. What are your favorites, and what do you think that I should keep, and what do you think that I should return? I hope this was helpful, especially if you've been eyeing some of these holiday pieces. I'm also very excited for the upcoming sale, so if that happens after I post this video, please come back and tell me what you got, because it is always a really good sale. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!